Many people impacted by Hurricane Helene are facing a long road to recovery. It's a familiar story for some Metro East residents. They are still waiting for help after floods damaged their homes months ago. New at 10, our Kimberly Donahue was there as FEMA disaster assistance met with local flood victims.
Raining, hailing, all that.
Ricky Wiley says mid-July flooding in the Metro East left some lasting effects in his East St. Louis home.
Got a leak coming out of the ceiling fan. We got water down in the basement. Water damage in the basement.
The heavy July rain turning streets into rivers, evacuating people from homes, and forcing animal shelters to be cleared. Crews from FEMA spent Saturday going door to door in East St. Louis, meeting with residents, learning about their needs stemming from the flooding, and helping them get registered for assistance from the agency.
And hopefully opportunity to help another person and recover.
There's no clear timetable for when an applicant may receive assistance.
We don't offer false beliefs for anyone, but we do say we're here to give you the best opportunity to recover from something that's traumatic, something that affected the community.
Over the next few days, teams from FEMA will help connect flood survivors to resources. And though it's been months since the flood, neighbors say any aid makes a difference.
It's very important. Every little bit helps.
In St. Clair County, Kimberly Donahue, First Alert 4.
The deadline to apply for assistance is November 19th. We have a full link on our website in the First Alert 4 News app.